right there on top of the moon. We could sit and do nothing. I wish we were bold to just fly away. I don't wanna care, just be here and I'm good alone. I'll be okay, 'cause you're like an old friend.
We are going to use these brush pens, which are beginner friendly, and if you don't have them you can use a pencil, and the link is above. So we are going to use the margins first, as practicing in margins is a must and it will give you freedom when you do calligraphy later on. But when you practice in margins you become more comfortable in them, so you can go beyond margins if you know them first. So the basic technique I use is I go thin up, thick down, meaning when my strokes go upwards they are thin, but when my strokes go downwards they are thick. So I have all these techniques and the strokes and all the basic of calligraphy in my previous videos. The link is in my description and the iCard above. So it's better that you practice your basics first, but if you don't have that time, just practice this sentence and go thin up and thick down.
you.